Right in the midst of all the medical announcements and discussions, we've also got a bit of a business announcement here at Arab Health 2024, because we've got a merger which was announced here at the exhibition itself, and we're very kindly joined by the CEO of the company, Porrick Curtis. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, a big merger. Talk to us about the news surrounding it. It must be a very exciting time, given it's just very, very fresh.
Yeah, it is very exciting for us, and we announced just last night the merger of separate business units within the company. So just for a bit of history, the company's actually, or the business is around 30 years old and has grown up with a distribution past over time. And in 2021, we decided to sell the distribution business and reinvest that money into what we call the OEM businesses. Those OEM businesses have been run separately for a period of time, and there's lots of history why that made sense back then. But we're so proud of what we've achieved in 2022 and 2023. We really think we've got a very compelling value proposition for the customer. And so we've decided to merge our patient temperature management business, or PTM, and the single-use endoscope business, or Endovision, into one to make TSC Life, to create one value proposition for the customer.
If you can talk to us about the reception that people have seen or you've received when you've presented the single-use endoscopy, and of course the patient's temperature monitoring systems as well. So if you can talk to us a little bit about that in terms of the public opinion so far.
Sure. Well, each of the product ranges kind of stood on their own feet. So the single-use endoscope product, known as the BronchoFlex, is well established to be a very, very competent tool in the physician's hands. And similarly, the patient warming side of things, whether it's the blanket or the fluid management systems, well established as either a number one or number two player in each of their fields. But there isn't an aha moment that happens when you bring them together, because this is a broader offering for a call point that we called on separately. So, of course, everybody says after the fact, well, that makes total sense. But it does make total sense, and it's very, very exciting in terms of what we can do with that range of product.
And in terms of your expectations from the event itself?
Well, you know, we were really keen, first of all, to show our products to our partners and talk about customer needs and new innovations, and we do that at every Congress. But we were actually very happy to be here in Dubai. This is a massive event, and you sort of have to be here, which is great, but you also get this great opportunity to announce your plans for the future. So it is a really good time for us from a business perspective, but also from a visibility perspective.
Porrick, thank you very much for joining us, and we wish you all the very best.
Thanks very much.